Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing and signing in, so open the App Store and download Microsoft Teams, then launch it. Sign in with your work, school, or Microsoft account and complete any multi-factor verification. This secures access. When the app asks, allow camera and microphone so you can join meetings with audio and video, and enable notifications to receive chat and calendar alerts. Once done, tap the three-line menu to confirm your profile and presence settings. Make sure your iPad is on a stable Wi-Fi network. Now you'll learn the core interface. Tap the bottom tabs to move between activity, chat, teams, meetings, and files. This organizes where conversations and content live. Create a team or join a channel to share files and threaded messages. Start a one-on-one chat for quick questions. To run meetings, open Calendar to schedule or join. During a call, select speaker, microphone, and camera icons to control audio and video, and use background effects to hide your surroundings. Make sure to pin important channels for faster access. Finish by joining and presenting. Tap Join in Calendar, pick Join with audio to use your iPad microphone, or device audio if you need headphones. Turn camera on or off before entering. To present, tap Share and choose Screen or a specific app. This streams what participants see. Use reactions, raise hand, and chat to interact without interrupting. If audio or video fail, update the Teams app, confirm Wi-Fi strength, and force close, then reopen the app. If that fails, restart the iPad. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.